Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a social media strategy with Hootsuite, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining your social media goals. Identify the key performance indicators that will measure success. Research your target audience to understand their preferences. Select the social media platforms you will focus on. Create a content calendar to organize your posting schedule. Sign up for Hootsuite if you haven't done so already. Log in to your Hootsuite account. Connect your social media accounts to Hootsuite. Navigate to the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Begin by creating your first post using the new post feature. Choose the social media platform you want to post on. Craft your message or select content from your media library. Add images or videos to enhance engagement. Use Hootsuite's scheduling feature to plan your post timing. Set the date and time for your post to go live. Review your post for any errors before scheduling. Save your post to the content calendar for future reference. Monitor post performance through Hootsuite's analytics tools. Track engagement metrics such as likes, shares, and comments. Adjust your strategy based on performance data. Engage with your audience by responding to comments or messages. Consider running targeted ads using Hootsuite's advertising features. Continuously analyze results and refine your social media approach. Repeat this process for consistency and continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.